I have created this Deriv bot to trade digits over and under with the highest accuracy, also that will execute trade immediately. Hello, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be explaining how you can use this bot. I'll leave it in the description, so you check the description and then you will be able to download it. If you do not have an account, just proceed also to use the link in the description. That is where you should be able to create your account, and then after doing that, download the bot and start using the bot on a demo. After that, you should be able to use it on a live account. So after importing your bot, for those who are new, is your traders hub. Here is where you should be able to locate the real bot. You just open here and then load from your computer. So after downloading that bot from Telegram, just tap here and then you should be able to load it from your storage. So if you are using a phone, I have a tutorial that will guide you on how to save that bot from Telegram and upload it here. So after doing all that, then this will be your bot. What you need to know is that this bot is trading over one. So you might not be able to see the contract type here after you upload it. But what I have set it, I have just set it to over one. So the last digit is just here. If you change it to 2, then you need to change the contract type here. And then there's something that is called blind trading. You need to avoid it because here you also depend on the stats that they provide you on the market. So if, for instance, this is the market, then you need to see the stats on that market to be able to start trading. So you can use split screen to view all these stats. So here I'll be just opening that market, and that market is volatility 75, and then to be sure I'll confirm again to be sure that this is the market. So as you saw, that was the market, and these are just the percentages. So to be able to enter the market instantly, what I can do, I can just open this on the split screen. So I just open it on the split screen and then I choose this. So as you can see, this is the bot and this is the market. So I can just move them this way, so I'll be able to see these stats so that I use them. So I have got this fast moving market, and I see that these numbers are not being touched for most of the time. So I'll be using them to trade this. So I'll be using I'll be using 2 ticks and waiting for them to be touched, and then I enter instantly. So let us wait and we enter instantly. So we enter that. As you can see, it won. Let us wait another one. So these fast moving markets, we be setting them to 1 tick, and then we'll be choosing this market, which is volatility 1s. Here, this is moving in between from here to here. This is just a bad market. I'll try to check another one. So here you see we just hit a take profit before it even returned here. I need to wait again the last one. So what you can do, you can just increase the take profit here. This is the take profit. I'll be increasing it to $25, and then this is the stop loss. So what you do here is just look and wait. Just wait for it to be playing on this number. Don't run the bot when it is just moving from this to this, from this to this. You need to wait for it to just play on the same numbers, on the numbers on that side. Then you run the bot. So let us wait this way, and then so it is just winning. Let us so we got a loss, but we should be able to recover it before it returns there. So our target profit is $25, and then we have just hit that. So you can see you need to look for these markets that are staying in between some numbers, and then you predict it. Don't look for a market that this pointer is just randomly moving. If it is randomly moving, then it might end up hitting that point and you lose that contract. This bot is in the description. If you want to use it, then download it. Like this video, subscribe. I have more videos that will help you to trade and become a profitable trader on Deriv. If you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.